I got a couple packages in the mail today, and they say made in China, so I'm hoping they're puzzles. Let's start with the smaller one. For a second, I didn't think they were puzzles because the boxes weren't smashed to bits. I mean, this one's a little bit smashed, but that's not bad. I've gotten boxes before that look like they got run over by the truck. Usually tell they're from China too by this packaging tape. And when they say from China on them, it's a clear sign. Sometimes I forget what puzzles I'm expecting. I know, never cut towards you, right? Oh, yes. Oh, I'm so excited for this puzzle. Well, they packaged it really well. They even used the flaps in the box to keep it centered. Maybe that was just by accident. The MFA double circle cube. Twins Skewb 2x2. I want that puzzle. Like, can that happen? Can I get that, please? Okay, let's open this up. All right, see how it turns. Ooh, very nice. Not bad at all. So on the yellow face, I forget, we call that a 0 or a 1. Anyways, since we have 2 circles now, we might have to... Ooh, and so both circles are stationary on the red. This is completely free to move, all the circles. So I heard a rumor that you can make adjustments to the mechanism in this to create different puzzles, kind of like the crazy 3x3 planet series, where if you have 2, you can make all the planets. Okay, so yellow and white are the same. Man, I'm really excited to play with this puzzle. Yeah, green and blue are the same, completely free. Orange and red, only the outer pieces move. Wow. That's a neat puzzle. I'm gonna just go ahead and scramble it. Let's see, oh, that's a little loose, but that's okay. I actually ordered this puzzle when it first came out. I ordered it in, I think, primary plastic from the MF8 store. And months later, after it didn't arrive, I looked online and I had forgot to update my address on the MF8 store. And it went to my old address. Hi, kitty. It turns really well. It's a cool puzzle. I'm glad this got mass produced. I won't claim to know the first thing about how to solve this. All right, let's see what's in the next box. This is a big one. Gosh. Ooh, yeah. Okay. I remember ordering this one. I don't know what else is in here. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Yeah. These are packaged really well. I'm pretty impressed. Oh my gosh. What is this? What? What the heck? It looks like an eyeball. It looks like a balloon. Can I blow this up? Okay, never mind. Let's look at this first. Fifth Magic Tower. I like the box. It's textured. Wow. It's like the puzzle is protruding out of the box. It's got a nice feel to it too. Okay, anyways. I throw the boxes away usually, so that's... Oh my god, yes! Yes, Christmas! Christmas came early! Ooh, boy. So I remember this company was called Shengshao, and now it's Sengso. Anyways, this puzzle is like the Jinx Puzzle with an extra layer. I don't know if you would you call it the master version? I don't know, but interestingly enough, these puzzles are like Skewbs. And this puzzle right here would be like, let's see, I took it out just in case, would be kind of like this puzzle. I mean, just ignore what's going on in the center there. We have the same number of pieces here. It's the center right here. And then we have the pieces surrounding it, like this band of pieces here. These pieces here act as those pieces, and then we have the layer. I counted the number of pieces. It does have the same number of pieces. These are kind of like super Skewbs because this is a center right here. These 6 edges. So that's neat. I'm excited to add that to my collection. All right. Again, really like the box. This is smooth, like a really shiny smooth, if that makes sense. I don't know how to describe like tactile feels, but this is another Sengso puzzle. I don't look at those. All right. What is this one called? Crazy Megaminx, like a standard Crazy Megaminx. So all faces are stationary. It turns really well. Yeah, that's really nice, and I like that it's stickerless too. I have a couple Megaminxes, the Crazy Megaminxes. Let me see if I can go find them really quick. All right. I forgot these are stickerless. They're bigger. So this new one, this new standard Crazy Megaminx is smaller than these Crazy Megaminxes. Oh my gosh. Can't believe I even solved these. That's bad. Ouch. It's like taking all my effort to turn these. I'm sure I lubed them up too, but wow. Well, that's exciting. Just how effortless this is compared to those. That's like, that's really good. And it has a frosted feel to it. I don't know if frosted is the word, like a matte finish. This one would be more frosted, smooth. This one's like a matte finish. Anyways, it turns really well. I'm excited to play with that one and add that to my collection. I don't think I ever had the desire to swap any of the mechanisms on these and try to solve the different planets. All right. Last but not least, unwrapping stuff is so satisfying. This is a, I don't have any void cubes. I don't have any void cubes. Whoa, that's amazing. I can like see right through it. This was just a few dollars, but I wanted to get it because I do love bandaged 3x3s, and I figure I don't have any void cubes, so this would be a good one to get, add to my collection. I'm not a fan of these tiles. They're smaller than the pieces, it's not like a bandage kit. And I'm sure they'll fall off eventually. I believe this is a the standard Meffert's bandage cube. What do they call it? A bin cube. I can't think of the name right now, but let me find the puzzle which I'm going to try to compare it to, and we'll see what the difference is. After a little more closer inspection, I did find out why this is called a Bicube. It does match. I just found this corner, and these two sides are similar. If you imagined this would be bandaged to the center, and so on. I wonder if it behaves as a Bicube, or if this can be separated from its invisible center. So that'll be interesting to find out. If it solves differently, if it can be scrambled more than this puzzle can. So we'll see.